Hey foodies, thanks for watching. What's better than chocolate fudge or a chocolate chip cookie? Well, a chocolate chip cookie with chocolate fudge in it. So today we're making a flourless fudgy chocolate cookie. And let's get started. So we're gonna start by mixing in our icing sugar and our cocoa powder and our salt. And we're just gonna mix this up lightly until it's combined. Okay, so that's all mixed. We're gonna add in our egg whites and our vanilla. And we're gonna mix this up as well. So it's almost all mixed. I'm just gonna scrape down the sides because there's a little bit of the dry mix still. You wanna make sure when you're mixing this that you don't stir it too fast or it's just gonna get everywhere. Okay, so we're gonna mix in the chocolate chips. And that's it. So now we're just gonna pop this out, put that aside, and I'm gonna scrape off the whisk. Oh, this looks so good. Oh my goodness. And now I'm just gonna give it one last good stir. It's really thick. There we go, look at that. Oh, it's nice and gloopy. Okay, so I'm gonna take 2 parchment paper lined sheets. You're gonna want something like parchment paper or silicone pads. It's probably not gonna be enough even if you butter the pan. You need something that's really not gonna stick. And then we just take these by the tablespoon and drop them onto the cookie sheet. I don't even know how far apart we have to go. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. These look amazing. Oh my goodness, and they smell so good. I pulled them out of the oven. It took 10 minutes for this, and you can see they just started to firm up, which is great. I've let them cool for about 5 or 6 minutes. Now we're supposed to transfer them to a cooling rack. So I'm just gonna move these over, and we're gonna just transfer some to let them finish cooling the rest of the way. Oh, they look so good. If you try and transfer them early, which I tried on a couple, they just fall apart. So you need them to cool so that they can firm up. And you can see, even on the parchment paper, they're starting to stick, and that's why you transfer them to the cooling rack. And there you have it. I mean, these are fabulous looking. I mean, they're great. I can't wait to dig my teeth in and see what they look like. You can see the bottom. It's nice and firm, but there's a little bit of softness. It really is like eating a brownie, chocolate, fudge, all in a nice cookie size. It's really, really good. These are so good. I can't wait for you to try the recipe. Let me know in the comments below what you think of them. Thanks for watching. Oh my god, these are good.